Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is my project. I don't know if you watched the first video, but that was my first ever, so I'm working hard to improve my skills here, and I'm trying to make a video series of something I would like to see. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is removing the engine, so I can have a better look at what I'm missing in this engine bay versus the Seat Cupra. When this engine is out, I'm going to do all the modifications to accept the new engine. Then I'm painting the engine bay. So the engine is going in and never coming out. That's the plan. Most efficient way to do this. So it's not that much work removing this engine, I think. I never done it, but can't be too hard. So follow along. Yeah, these are the struggles of working on some random driveway. Well, rain might be what you get, huh? Behind me is a double car garage and I could fit them both in there, but it's full right now with my main project. It's also an interesting one, but I'm just let's say on a side quest right now. Oh man, what I get myself into, huh? So guys, I never struggled so much with an exhaust pipe. Usually these catalytic converters come out easy, you know. I just in and out in a minute, but this pipe is something else, yo. So, this engine is out. It wasn't too bad, except for the exhaust. That stupid thing, man. Don't steal a catalytic converter from a car like this, man. It's insane. So, man, the engine bay, dirty. That's what she said. So, next up, I'm gonna clean this one. But this is all I have time for today, so see you tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna continue stripping this engine bay and then giving it a good clean because it's dirty. So it's empty. Next up, cleaning. That was a bunch of work. If you made it this far in the video, respect to you. I don't know if it's interesting or not, so next up is power washing this baby. So I cleaned her up. Looks good. But I did find some rust in here a little bit. Not sure if I can clean it up and it's okay, or it needs some welding, not sure. And on the other side, it's more substantial. This is definitely structural. So I'm gonna have to do some welding here. But I'm thinking I can cut out this part from the cupra, so we'll be fine. So I'm ending it here. This video. I hope you liked it. I hope it's better than the first one. I tried my best, so, and just to leave you guys with a nice picture of the new engine. This is the goal. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one.